Guys, for that, I don't think that was an RF. I don't believe that was an RF problem. I just all the lights on the modem were out. Maybe it was just completely rebooting. Maybe that's what was going on. So I don't know, this damn stuff. All right, I'm streaming again on YouTube. Unbelievable. And but I think the Discord channel should also be automatic. And I think that the HD video on Discord should be okay. Richard, if you're in earshot, you can let me know that. Okay. Next, some dates. Tanya's got some dates here. On this day, on the 1st of June 2002, the Czech Republic becomes the first country to ban light pollution. How about that? On the 2nd of June 1966, Surveyor 1 reaches the moon at first probe to land on another body. On the 3rd of June 1965, Ed White takes America's first spacewalk as part of the Gemini program. On the 6th of June 1971, Soyuz 2, or Union 2 USSR, carries the first people to a space station, Salyut 1 and Salyut 1. On the 7th of June 1879, Joan Vaught proves with parallax that dwarf star Proxima Centauri is the same distance as Alpha Centauri binary. That was on the 7th of June 1879, Joan Vaught. I'm not sure how you pronounce that. On the 8th of June 2004, a transit of Venus is observed, the first in 122 years. On the 9th of June 1986, Rogers' report on Space Shuttle Challenger explosion reveals solid rocket booster fault and serious management and safety problems with the USS program. On the 10th of June 2003, launch of Mars exploration rover Spirit, which lands in 2004 and exceeds expectations, operating to 2010. On the 13th of June 1983, Pioneer 10 becomes the first spacecraft to travel beyond the planets of the solar system. Also on the 13th of June 2010, Hayabusa, Japan's craft, returns the first asteroid samples to Earth. On the 14th of June 1962, European Space Research Organisation, ESRO, begins, later to be part of the European Space Agency, ESA. On the 15th of June, in the year 763 BCE, the Assyrians record a total solar eclipse, which helps date other events in the Mesopotamian history. On the 16th of June 1911, a meteorite weighing 772 grams strikes a barn in rural Wisconsin in the USA. It strikes a barn. Oh, better look out for that. Also on the 16th of June 1963, Valentina Tereshkova, USSR, becomes the first woman in space in Vostok 6, the first civilian into space, and the only woman to undertake a solo space flight. On the 17th of June 1969, Venera 6 descends into Venus's dense atmosphere, sending data before being crushed by rising pressure. On the 18th of June 1983, Sally Ride becomes the first American woman in space aboard Shuttle Challenger. There's a few more dates there, but I might just finish it on this one. Where was I? On the 20th of June 1990, asteroid Eureka found as part of the Trojan's asteroid group orbiting at Mars's L5 Lagrange point. Isn't that, that's interesting. All right, I'll continue on with some of those dates next week from the 21st of June. There's a bunch more of dates there. Okay, you're tuned to ASV Radio, VK3EKH, the official station of the Astronomical Society of Victoria, with the Friday night broadcast. And if everything is going okay, let me just check. Yes, I'm streaming, and the Discord, I think, should be working. Yes, it is. I just checked that. I also have an email address I forgot to mention. So you can send reports to vk3ekh@gmail.com. That's right. Yeah, vk3ekh@gmail.com. And also there's the Discord channel as well, which I'm a bit distracted over because of the HD video that I'm running at the moment. Right, there you are. This report comes from the astronomy.com website, and it is about Venus likely has active volcanoes flowing streams of lava. An analysis of 1990s era data from Magellan mission adds to the evidence that the innermatic Venus is in fact an active world. And there's just a little gift image here running of coming in on Venus. Let's see if this will play. Okay, I'll put that into a loop so it just repeats itself. There it is. This is a portion. What you're seeing on the screen at the moment is a portion of the video that highlights the areas of the Sif Mons and Niobe Plantia on Venus, where ongoing lava flows have been detected, and you can kind of make out that there is evidence there of lava flows. In a recent study published in Nature Astronomy, a group of planetary scientists in Italy and in Rome discovered the geologically recent volcanic activity on Venus. The scientists compared through radar data collected by the first spacecraft to image the entire surface of Venus, Magellan, and compared data taken between 1990 and 1992